behind the nursing home. But man, that thing goes clear up in the sky.
Interpretation of things. He actually threatened me with it when he said, Mr. Burgess, I'll put Mr. Burgess something in Sean Hannity, you'll tear him up. And then I said to hear him, he wants to have a beer with me. I'm going in for a beer, but he never took me up on the beer offer. But anyway, there's Open and Lane for tips and giggles.
I'll put Mr. Burgess up against Sean Hannity. He'll tear him up.
Is Sean Hannity suddenly going to get on the airways and say, you know, I was wrong about this Obama guy. He's my man. No. I mean, I think that there's a certain segment.
I've been thinking that when you all made a tremendous hug